Okay, so we are heading into midterm progress reports, and the term will be finished November 15th. That is not a long time away. I want to take a look at Aspen and how I've organized it so that you feel like you're in control of where we're headed, which is very important right now. You will see in Aspen that there are quite a few quarter one grade entries in. I did update that, and so we're ready to rock and roll and go forward. We have our letter to me, 50 points. It's a very easy 50 points. We do have two video mini lessons, the Universal Idea video mini lesson plus Google Form, and then the other one, which is Read Like a Writer video mini lesson in Google Form. We spend a lot of time on debate, so we do have debate prep, and then we have the actual debate. The Habits of Mind photo essay, I think I'm going to do another video about that photo essay, but I did include a model, a student model on, let me just get to it, go into our classwork page, and the model is included right here. So I do encourage you to go back, watch my video of this, take a look at the model and how what that model looks like. I will say as feedback that was fairly common. A couple of people, they had a topic, but then they didn't necessarily have three universal ideas. If they're not universal ideas, then you're going to have a hard time making connections and analyzing. The other feedback is it's better to go with an image, right, and not a word. Some people did like word art. That doesn't get you very far. Remember, this is connecting an abstract image like how we did in our debate. And we're using one of those images to say, oh, how is this connected to both my universal idea and this topic? Okay, so the great thing about this is that if I'm also writing this essay on school vaccine mandates, I might not include the words or think of the word choice or education or respect. And that's the test. If it's something that maybe you would include and not someone else, then you for sure know it's a universal idea because it's not fact-based, right? It's more analytical and abstract. And then I would just say to go back to look at this, if you're coming up with like one sentence responses for each of these, I'm not saying every response has to be this long, but go back and take a look at how this writer extended their writing. All right, so going back to Aspen, we have Article of the Week 1, and I have a separate video for that that you can check out. The iCarry writing assignment. Yes, you had to join AP Classroom on College Board. So I did post the Join AP Classroom as a specific assignment. It was on the syllabus and it was on your homework chart when we were doing the agendas at the beginning of the year, but I need to put it on Google Classroom, so that was my fault for not making it clear. There are slides to tell you exactly how you create an account. Please be in touch with me if you are not able to do this or if it's not if it's not working for you or if you have any questions. So that's an easy point. And then we had the universal ideas and Read Like a Writer video mini lessons. Everything is in this assignment. We need you in the Google Forms. So let me know if you have questions on that. Yes, you can double speed the videos. That's fine. You can do that on YouTube. And this was classwork. All right, just want to go through this. And then the letter to me and the syllabus response form would be helpful as well. Okay, but I'm not counting the syllabus response form on Aspen. I think we have enough going on here. Okay, so this is what your categories, well, here's all of our assignments, right? You'll notice that we have these different categories, and then here's how I'm going to do it. The categories are weighted So that daily work is your engagement every day, the classwork that we do, that's 25% of your grade, and the quiz grade, which I give I don't even know if I give any quizzes, but your quiz grade is really article of the week, your notebook when I collect your notebook, and I'll do that in about 2 weeks, and then minor work products. Your summative or final products will be starting next week. We're going to get into our first speech, and it will be your essay, or what I call a skeleton essay. We're going to do first. We're not going to write it out like an essay. We're going to write it in chunks. That will be 100 points. So from now until like end of December, like right before we go on break, we're going to have maybe 6 or 7, I think 7 speeches to read. Each speech will be worth 100 points for our final work product, which sounds like a massive number of points. However, this is what we're going to do because they are summative. They're a compilation of work that we've done for about a week together. And then each speech we're going to focus on will have a different rhetorical device or a different rhetorical choice that we're learning. And so the summative is not only the writing, it's your understanding about the speech and the level of rhetorical analysis that you're getting into. So that is starting after PSAT for the juniors. We have PSAT on Wednesday. We're going to get right into the first speech Thursday and Friday. I think that's it. I just want to make sure. If it's not, please contact me. This is a partnership, so if you ever feel like you're overwhelmed, you have to let me know. I can't read your mind, and we can work something out. If something isn't working with your schedule, let me know. I am committed to seeing you through to the end of this course. That's very important for me, and we can do this. Thank you.